wonderful opportunity to learn something new in mathematics. We shall be looking at laws of indices. Now, let us quickly look at laws of indices. Now, supposing you have a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Laws of indices says it will be equal to am plus n. Are we together? For example, if you have 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power 2, it means that since they have the same base a, then your answer will be 2 raised to power 3 plus 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 5. That is what it means. So the second law says that if you have a raised to power m bracket close raised to power n, then it is going to be a raised to power m times n, which is equal to a raised to power mn. So in the same example, if you have 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 2, like this, it is going to be 2 raised to power 3 times 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 6. So here, if you have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, you are going to have a raised to power m minus n. Example, if you have 2 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 2, you are going to have 2 raised to power 3 minus 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 1. Let us prove it. If you have 2 raised to power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2. See, this cancel this, you are left with 2 raised to power 1, which is still the same thing as 2. So, if you have a raised to power minus n, your answer is going to be 1 over a raised to power m. So, if you have 2 raised to power minus 3, for instance, so it's going to be 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Here, if you have a raised to power mn, it is going to be, this will come outside here, and this will come inside. So a raised to power m. So if you have 2 raised to power 3 over 2, then you are going to have square root of 2 raised to power 3. Anything raised to power 0, if a is raised to power 0 and any number raised to power 0, it is the same thing as a. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0, did I say a? Sorry, it's going to be 1. 1000 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 million raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Then if you have a raised to power 1, it is going to be a. So if you have 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 10 raised to power 1 is 10. Anything raised to power. Then the last one here, if you have a over b bracket close raised to power m, then it means that individually a will be raised to power m and b will be raised to power same m. So example, if you have let's say 3 over 4 raised to power of 2, then it's going to be 3 raised to power 2 over 4 raised to power 2. Now these are the laws of indices. Unless you know these laws of indices, anywhere they apply in any mathematical question or equation, you are not going to solve it correctly. But the moment you know these things, these rules will always apply anywhere they apply in equation, in simplification, in whatever places you find them. This is what you are going to do. The laws must be followed. Have a wonderful day.